Hi, hello friends. How are you all? I am Karishma today. I am going to give you information about the benefits of eating rice regularly. So please don't skip the video and watch from beginning to end. Rice has been a staple food for over 10,000 years, especially in Asian cultures, and continues to be a dietary cornerstone globally. Its long history of consumption demonstrates its importance in nutrition, health, and cultural practices. Here are 10 benefits of eating rice regularly, blending historical and modern perspectives. 1. Staple source of energy, historical and modern. Rice has been a primary energy source for billions since its domestication, particularly in Asia. It's rich in carbohydrates, which are essential for fueling the body's daily activities. 2. Supports sustainable agriculture. Historical, rice cultivation has been a cornerstone of agricultural development. In regions like Southeast Asia, rice paddies have been sustainably cultivated for millennia, providing both food and employment for vast populations. 3. Supports weight management. Modern, contrary to some modern diet fads, certain varieties like brown rice and basmati rice can support weight management. Their high fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels and promotes satiety. 4. Gluten-free, historical and modern. Rice has always been naturally gluten-free, making it a safe and versatile grain for people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance, a feature that has been valued throughout history. 5. Nutrient-rich, modern. Modern research shows that rice contains essential nutrients like magnesium, phosphorus, and various B vitamins. Brown rice, in particular, retains its bran and germ, which are rich in vitamins and minerals. 6. Promotes digestive health, historical and modern. For centuries, rice, particularly in its unprocessed form, has been known to aid digestion. It's gentle on the stomach and can soothe digestive disorders, a reason it's been used in traditional remedies for gastrointestinal issues. 7. Balances blood sugar. Modern, varieties like brown or wild rice have a low glycemic index, meaning they release sugar into the bloodstream gradually. This helps in regulating blood sugar levels, making it suitable for people with diabetes. 8. Supports cardiovascular health. Modern, whole grain rice varieties like brown rice contain compounds like lignans and magnesium, which support heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving arterial function. 9. Cultural and religious significance. Historical, rice has been symbolically important throughout history, representing prosperity, fertility, and life in various cultures. It plays a significant role in rituals, ceremonies, and celebrations, especially in Asian and African countries. 10. Highly adaptable and versatile, historical and modern. Historically, rice has been adaptable to various climates,